Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
As part of the 50th year celebration of Meghalaya statehood and also to celebrate the International Youth Day, the state government had organized a youth program with its motto, Better Today, Best Tomorrow, at the Soso Tham Auditorium on the 12th of August 2022. The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, was the chief guest, while the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Banteidor Lyngdoh, graced the occasion as guest of honor. Other dignitaries present included the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Wanri A M Booth, the President of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, F Kharshiing, the Administrative Officer of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, Marsarauk Tariang, the General Secretary of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, finally Pariat, besides students, young people and others. The keynote address during the program was delivered by Commissioner and Secretary of the Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Vijay Kumar D. Certificates and cash prizes in various categories were distributed to the youth and other entrepreneurs. Addressing the gathering, Prestone Tynsong said that ever since the return of around 65,000 young people to the state during the pandemic, the government had to take the initiative to accommodate them as far as jobs for skilled young people are concerned. That was the time that initiatives like the Prime and Focus programs were undertaken to empower the youth to be self-dependent and not rely on government jobs, informed the Deputy Chief Minister. He added that the recently launched YES program in the state is also focused on youth empowerment through youth-empowered organizations through financial assistance of up to 1 lakh for startups.
It is you to take over from me and to take over from all of us. Whether good or bad, it is up to you to perform. On behalf of the government, therefore, I would like to acknowledge that you are doing well, and please keep it up. In today's generation, let me just tell you one thing. In Meghalaya, quite a number of percentage is being contributed by our youth. And throughout the state, the voices of the youth is what? We all know. Being a parent, I think we all know. One voice they say, Meghalaya is facing unemployment problem. You know, friends, we realized from 2020, when pandemic attacked the whole world, and especially in Meghalaya, we really had a very bad taste. Right from the month of March 2020 till 2021 end. And during that period, I just wanted to inform all of you, not less than 65,000 young boys, young girls who were trained, who were fully skilled, working in different parts of India, and not only India, even outside India. Out of compulsion, they have to come back to the state. Young boys and girls, the government has taken one initiative. Out of about 65,000 of them, not less than 800 to 900 of them, government has provided financial assistance in the range of 1,70,000 and also 50,000 respectively. After 2 years, we have asked Industries Department to find out those 900 odd numbers who got financial assistance from the Directorate of Industries, whether they're doing well on their own or no. I'm happy to tell you about 65% of them, they are successful on their own business. Not less than 60,000 students are graduated annually. 60,000 in different level, right from class 10 up to the degree level. 60,000. And if all of you 60,000 students are only expecting of government job, I think there is no scope and there is no hope too. So what I would like to encourage you, please open up your mind. Please have your own determination. Right now, we started this initiative. It is an eye-opener to all of you.